Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your saved Google passwords right on your Android phone using Google Password Manager. This is super simple, and you don't need any extra apps. Everything's already built into your phone. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap Google. Next, tap Manage your Google account. Once you're inside, swipe over to the Security tab at the top. Now scroll down until you see Password Manager and tap it. Here, you'll see a full list of all your saved passwords for websites and apps linked to your Google account. Choose the one you want to view. Before you tap the eye icon, authenticate with your PIN or password for security. Then tap the eye icon, and your password will be revealed instantly. This feature is really useful if you ever forget a password or want to log into an account on another device. It's also a great way to double-check that your passwords are stored securely and synced with your Google account, so you never lose access again. And don't worry, Google keeps everything protected with your phone's security settings. No one can view your passwords without verifying your identity first, so it's completely safe as long as you don't share your phone or your PIN. That's it. Now you know how to view your saved passwords on Android using Google Password Manager. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next quick tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.